It's pretty simple, really. Getting your oil changed regularly is one of, if not the, most important part of vehicle maintenance. Oil does so many things for your vehicle that you might not even be aware of all of them. So putting off an oil change could have big consequences for your vehicle. One of its main jobs is to lubricate and reduce friction. There are a lot of moving parts under the hood, which create heat. This can drastically wear down the engine when not properly lubricated. Another big reason is it keeps your engine clean. Over time, dirt and dust can build up inside the engine, making it less efficient and putting you at risk for damage. Engine oil is designed to catch dirt particles and remove them. Getting your oil changed often will help you avoid the effects of contaminated oil. A vehicle with clean oil will also perform better. It'll have more power and run smoother after an oil change, which will also result in improved fuel efficiency. That means a little extra money in the piggy bank. Not only do routine oil and filter changes keep everything running in tip-top shape, but they'll also make sure your warranty stays valid. If you don't keep up with regular maintenance, you risk voiding your warranty, and nobody wants that. You'll also ensure your vehicle has a better resale or trade-in value than one that hasn't been looked after properly. Your engine will be in better shape, and you'll have the thorough service records to prove it. And this one seems obvious, but maintaining it with proper oil changes can add years to the overall life of your vehicle. Buying a vehicle is an investment, and you want to make sure it's taken care of.